name's Jamie Sykes and I work as part of the Nottingham Music Service, delivering the Band Factory as one of the tutors. That's every Saturday. I also have drum lessons available online, so please get in touch with Nottingham Music Service if you would like to purchase any of my half-hour drum lessons. But for now, we're going to have a look at two patterns that I really like for fills. One is right-left bass and one is right-left bass-bass. Now I can do this on my legs if I don't have a practice pad or kit available to me, so I can go right, left, bass, right, left, bass, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I'm doing that as a loop without a gap. Right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass. So that's pattern number one. And pattern number two is right, left, bass, bass. And this is really good for getting our right foot doubles. Right, left, bass, bass, right, left, bass, bass, right, left, bass, bass, right, left, bass, bass. I'm going to try both of those behind the kit and maybe bring the speed up a little bit. So my first one's right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass. Right, left, bass, bass. So they're both really useful. Give those a try, and then I'm going to come up with a few beats that you guys can have a go at to make those relevant in your playing or fill. So previously we looked at right left bass and right left bass bass patterns in order to improve our playing, and we tried that on our legs. We can try that on a practice pad or on a kit. I'm going to show you how we can use those as a fill. So I can take two of my right left basses, so the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so right left bass, right left bass, and follow that with two right left bass basses, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, bass, bass, right, left, bass, bass. And then I'm going to end my fill with a flam, so just both sticks hitting one slightly before the other on the snare drum. So, for instance, let's try that. So right, left, bass, right, left, bass, right, left, bass, bass, right, left, bass, bass. There's my fill. I could put that anywhere on the kit, so. No matter where I put that, it's going to sound good. So let's put that after a beat. Nice work. Now in a previous one we did paradiddles, but this time we're going to have a brief look at inverted paradiddles. So it's basically a paradiddle that starts in a different place. So the inverted paradiddle goes like this. Right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Of course, for players who are left-handed or for people who are just wanting to expand their vocabulary, you could start with the other way. Left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right. But essentially, it's single, double, single, single, double, single. So here we go. Right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Speeding it up. So I can use this in beats. I can put it between my right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare drum. Let's turn the snares on. So right, left, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. So that sounds really good as a groove. Nice one, I will catch you next time.